out here in Longview servicing this Pontiac G8. It's got a 3.6 on it. It's gonna be a 13mm bolt at the bottom. Top of that windshield sauce off. It's a 24. Just tight enough. All right, takes 7.1 quarts of 5W30. This customer wants me to add some of this sauce. Say less. Actually, I have my own additive coming out too. I've been working with. I've been using it on my own car too. And I'm well over 200,000. All right. Reset the oil light. Key on, engine off, and just hit the gas pedal 3 times.